Dipole forces, the attractive forces between the positive end of one molecule and the negative end of the another polar molecule are called dipole forces. Dipole moment. It is a product of charge and the distance between the positive and negative centers present in a compound. Dipole, partial separation of charges on a bond between two atoms. Discharge tube, a glass tube containing a gas at low pressure and is provided with electrodes for the passage of electricity through the gas. Dalton's law of partial pressures. Total pressure of a mixture of gases is equal to the sum of the partial pressures of all the gases in the mixture. Diffusion of gases. The spontaneous mixing of the molecules of different gases by random motion and collisions to form homogeneous mixture is called gaseous diffusion.